Okay, I'm just going to take you through the video process. Well, the image process. I'm going to make a channel for the World Cup series. It's a cartoon, like Stickman, not Stickman, but a cartoon voiceover channel, and it'll just hook onto the World Cup theme, which will drive traffic, hopefully. Obviously, I'm using again the app AutoImage. I've uploaded the images. We've got 26 images to go through, and as you can see, it's creating quite decent images. Then what I'll do after that is I'll do a voiceover for it. I'll probably clone my voice in 11 Labs, or I might do it verbally over a mic, and then we'll stitch it together and make like a documentary animation style for the World Cup. And the next part of this video, I'll do the actual video animation where we put a storyboard picture together, and the storyboard drives the actual Omni model. So you get a 10-second video, and it'll be broke down as in what scene does what through a storyboard. So it'll have a reference picture at the top of what characters, then underneath that it'll have like 3 scenes in that 10-second generation, and it'll go from A to B to C, and that'll generate a 10-second story, and we'll do that automatically. So look out for that. Okay, so all my images are complete. As we can see there, some beautiful images for football. What it's going to do now is I've got this beat. Let's just move it over there for you so you can see it. Oh, don't want to play. So it's basically made me a voiceover. I'm meant to do it in your own voice, but I'm going to use my clone voice in 11 Labs. And it basically just tells me all the stuff for each slide, which I think is quite good. Then what's going to happen is, I can close that now, I don't need it. I've asked Claude, and I'll show you Claude bot here. I'll have to edit this video. Basically, it's going to do it all for me, i.e. because I've got FFmpeg, I've got HyperFrames, all that stuff. It's going to merge them all together and do it. Let's see what it says. Keyworks, voice activated, your clone is narrating to, yep, lovely. Nothing left on your plate for this video to assemble it. So it's assembling it, and we'll have a look at it when it's done and see if it's any good. Okay, it's made a video. Let's have a look, see what we think of it.
Every World Cup since 1930, one story each.
So we've got some background music, it's a bit loud.
Buried for 90 years. By the end of this, you'll know how a tin trophy survived from that.
What do I take from this?
By one goalkeeper carried the nation's heartbreak for 50 years. And which match kicked off? Yeah,
for some reason it's stuck. Let's just go back again.
Every World Cup since Uruguay 1930. The first one, just 13 teams and only 4 from Europe, because the boat trip took 2 weeks. The host beat Argentina.
So we've got the images
in the final, but here's the detail nobody remembers.
Decent enough images.
So badly over whose ball to use.
I'd need to correct the voiceover.
Italy,
and well, lower the music.
Mussolini's tournament. Italy.
I think it lacks a bit of
regime desperate for a
animation. Could probably put that in.
Champions simply refused
but for a video,
still the only holders in history to skip.
Probably taken about 2 hours to do from start to finish, and that's just
Italy
the process of waiting for editing.
The story says Mussolini sent his players.
It's doable. Needs improvement, but there you go. That's one way of doing a quick video and having a YouTube channel for the World Cup.
Mistranslated team motto. The myth
Thanks for watching.
More famous than the team. Then nothing.